Collect the product.
The orange is coming.
It's getting
Washed.
red.
2 orange.
Okay.
Okay. Third orange is also coming. Okay, 4 oranges.
That's nice, no?
Oh, 5 oranges.
Until and unless this is full to the brim, you will clean.
Okay, and the juice is happening there. Wait,
what to do?
wait, it will tell you.
Okay. Collect the product.
Collect product. Done.
It will open up. Now?
Wait.
Okay.
Okay. I think
You
it's
have to
getting
put.
packed. No, it's getting packed.
Yeah.
So there's a packaging. And now I think it's packed.
No. How to
Still.
open it?
Yeah. So you got a fresh juice.